In order to really understand the love of the Sahaba, the companions, for the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you must remember that it was not as much an action as a reaction. The way the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was compassionate and loving and Rauf and Rahim and so far deeply involved in their well-beings that it would be the natural reaction of the Sahaba that they would also love him back. So that is the key to mentorship, that actually the love that the elders or the teachers or the shuyukh or the parents or the mentor, it's reflected in people and they love them back. So the Sahaba actually reacted to his love.